Hi, I'm Jill from Adventures in Nanoland, and today we're going to be making these cute little washcloth chicks. They have the cute little fuzz on the top, feathers, hair, whatever you want to call them, the cute little eyes, and even a cute little bow tie that we'll show you how to make. So let's get started. So let's start with the supplies that you're going to need. You're going to need a washcloth. Of course, I like yellow because we're making a little chick. You're going to need a rubber band, some little eyes, a little beak. Now you can cut a little triangle out of felt, or I have mine out of the little orange craft foam. I made a little bow tie for him. I have this funky little pom-pom for a tail, and I have some yarn to make the little hair on top. And you will need a ruler and a pair of scissors and a hot glue gun. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is lay out your washcloth. The thinner, the better. This one is a little bit thick, but it will be cute anyway. And we are going to start rolling with the tag side up because you want to roll that on the inside. So we're going to start in one corner and we're going to roll it tightly to the middle. Once you get to the middle, kind of hold it with your arm or your wrist and start rolling the other side. And roll that corner right into the middle until they meet. Okay. So then we're going to take, holding that together tightly, you're going to pull these up so that they match. And then you're going to pull the sides down. So these are going to be your little wings. Okay. So we're going to pull the side down, each side, so that it's almost, but not quite to the bottom. I mean, you could make bigger wings if you wanted to, but we're going to hold that together. And we're going to take our rubber band and put it tightly around the top. This makes the little head, okay? So you can kind of see our little chick is taking shape. So a couple things I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of flatten out and make this head a little bit more round. I'm going to make sure my wings are out where I want them. And then I'm going to flatten the body just a little bit so that it stands up. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is, if you want to put little feathers or a little hair on the top, you can use yarn, and this is just regular yarn. That is really cute. Or you can use, this is the chenille yarn, and it's already very fuzzy, so you don't have to do much to it. I didn't have any in yellow, but the white was kind of cute, so you could do that. But I'm going to show you how to do this out of the regular yarn so that you'll get the idea how to do it. So I take my ruler and I take my yarn, and as you can see, I cut two pieces. Oh gosh. Two pieces here that were about 3 inches long. So I'm just going to take, or here, let's make this easy on ourselves, right? I'm going to take one 6-inch piece and I'm going to cut it in half again. Okay. So that you have two pieces that are about 6 inches. Then what you do is you take the ends of these and untwist them like this, okay? And when you untwist them, just kind of pull them apart. And you only need to do this down about, what is that, about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch on each side. So as you can see, there's 3 strands here on my yarn, and I'm just pulling those 3 apart. Okay. All right. And then you do the same with the other one. I'm going to set those aside and I'll just use these. So then you're going to pull those together and you're going to want to put them right down here in the middle. And you're going to glue the head together so that those little things stay in there. And then you've also kind of shaped, held the washcloth together to shape your face. So I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to put some hot glue right down the middle, just kind of in between there. And I'm going to tuck my yarn down in there too. Be careful because the glue is very hot. Whoops. Okay. Actually, I'm going to take my scissors and get that tucked down in there better. Okay. And there you go. Got the little hair, feathers, fuzz, whatever you want to call it, sticking out the top. Very cute. So now we've got our little face. And when you've glued the top together, oh, I've got hot glue on me. When you've glued the top together, it's going to kind of hold that face together. So if you want to, you can put a little glue in there, but you don't have to. The next thing I'm going to do is glue on my little eyes. So I'm going to put a little glue in each spot where I want to glue my eyes. So putting those on there. Okay. And, whoops. Then we've got our little beak. And actually I like to put the hot glue on the beak itself. So I'm just going to run it right across the top. Pull my little strings. And then place it about where I think that little beak is going to go. Okay, there we go. Oh, stringy hot glue, right? Everywhere. Now the last little thing I like to do, well, it's not the last. Let's put the little tail on the back. So I know a duck's tail is a little less showy than this. But I just thought it was so cute. I just had to put that little fuzzy tail looking on there. But the last thing I want to do is cover up my rubber band. Okay, so I wanted to make mine a little boy. You could tie a little ribbon around it if you want to make it a little girl. And I'd probably not do the fuzz if I was going to do a little girl one. But this little boy one, I made this cute little bow tie. So I'm going to take and glue my little bow tie, and I'll show you in just a minute how I made this. Okay, and I'm just going to glue it right over the rubber band there so it doesn't show. So I'm going to show you really quick how I made the cute little bow tie. All right, so you take my ruler. And I cut about 4 inches for the little bow tie. So I'm going to cut that at about 4 inches. And then I take and I wrap it in about where the inch mark would be. Okay. And then I'm going to wrap it again. So I've got it wrapped twice. And I'm going to take it and just bend it up and wrap it around this way. And then you can just glue it on the back. You can pull it a little tight so it makes a little bit of a bend in there. There we go, like that. And then I just glue it right there and cut the end off. So that's how you make the little bow tie. But there you have it. There's your little chick. Cute for Easter, for springtime, for whatever. They make really cute decorations if you want to put them on like a baby shower gift or something. Just a really fun, cute little project that goes really fast. So if you like this video, comment below and let us know. And we look forward to seeing you. Thanks for watching.